Hey gang, Scott here with this week's self-storage quick tip. Well, earlier this week I went for a ride with a friend of mine who just purchased a flea market recently and is converting it into a self-storage facility. He bought this existing flea market along with 8 acres and a modular house on it at a bank auction for just under $200,000. That's right. Now he's already converted one 100-foot building, and since the concrete pads were already there and the studs were in place and the roof was on it, it cost him $6,600 to convert this 100-foot long, 100 by 40-foot long building. Is this thing going to cash flow? Absolutely, it's going to cash flow. So when he began walking through the facility, or what is soon to be a self-storage facility, tell me about the plans and looking at fencing it and adding the truck rental, I could really see the opportunity, which is in this kind of a quasi-development type opportunity for building a self-storage facility. So on our ride back, I got to thinking, he stumbled across this at a bank auction. What happens if I went out and started actually looking for flea markets that are for sale? And lo and behold, I got on LoopNet, which is just a quick, easy search to find some facilities. And here's what I found. I found lots of properties, lots of flea markets that are for sale. Existing could be flea markets. One that is already storage and a flea market for $435,000 that can be converted. Another one here for $119,000. So this week's tip is, we can convert lots of types of facilities, buildings, structures, land, and develop and convert into a self-storage facility. If you haven't begun looking at flea markets in your existing market, you may want to cast a little bit wider net and not just looking for industrial land or buildings to convert or warehouses or self-storage, but add flea markets to your list of property types to begin looking at as well. So with that, this has been Scott Meyers with this week's self-storage quick tip. For more information on how you too can get into and or improve the operations of your self-storage facility, head on over to our site, selfstorageinvesting.com. We'll see you over there.